Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you total 5 websites where we can create a very high quality do follow a directory submission backlink. Okay, so the website name is, first website name is ifidir.com, and this is a website dashboard. So before that, if you are planning to do directory submission, so for the directory submission you guys can consider index page, your service page, or either your category page. This is an important thing. So if you guys can create where backlink for the directory, that could be you guys can increase traffic and do follow backlink for your pages and your website. Okay, so now we can start. Before that, if you are new on this channel, so please you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay yaar, so now we can start. So the first website name is ifidir.com. so there is a add site button, you can click over there, and I have already generated a title and the description. You guys can see my first title is best video interview platform, and this is a description for this title, and this is might taking couple of time. So let me copy the title, and you guys can paste your title in the title section. You guys can paste it your website URL, and you guys can paste your description. And for the description, you guys can while the generating a description, you guys can add your company name, your founded year, and the services, and who is a founder of this company. That kind of information you can include in the description section. And after that, you guys can add your company name in the name section. Then you guys can choose your category, and you can verify your captcha, and you can click to continue button. And while this website taking loading, so we can navigate to the next website. So the next is loaded, link is submitted, waiting for the approval. Once you receive that kind of message, so you can go on the latest site section. It's still taking loading, so we can keep this. Okay, it is loaded, so we can click on latest site button, and parallelly for this website, this is a next website. So for the website name is privatedirectory.org, and you guys can click on add site button. So this is a first website where we have created backlink, and you can see that this is our title, best video interview platform job. You can click on link details button, and you can found your exactly landing page URL. So this is our landing page URL, and this is a title where is a backlink inserted, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys can see this is 100% do follow backlink with keyword contextual. Okay, this video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. So the next website name is privatedirectory.org, and there we can add a title. So this is the title, and in the URL section we can add a URL. So this is the description. There we can include the name, email ID, then we can choose the category. Employment, and we can click for the verification, captcha verification. So you guys can simply verify your captcha and you can click to continue button. While this website taking loading, so we can navigate on the next backlink. So the next website name is relateddirectory.org, and you can click on submit link button and we can check. So link is submitted, waiting for the approval. Okay, so there we can fill all the details. So we can start filling. Yeah, so this we can click on latest site button and you guys can see this is our title best video interview platform, and you can click on link details button. And the why I'm considering to you guys can create a directory backlink as well. Suppose that this is a directory website, and if you guys can publish any directory on that website, so it should be going to publish on the first SERP, first result. So if any user can land this websites, they can interact with your title and your detail what you have provided. And if the person can like your title and the description and the services what you are providing, that would be chances to you guys can increase, navigate and the drive traffic throughout this website. Okay, and I can show you this is a Dofollow backlink. So you guys can see it's 100% Dofollow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So we can put it our website title and the website's URL. You guys can add a description, company name, email ID. Then you guys can choose your category. And you can verify your captcha. You can click on next button and the crosswalk. And we can click on continue button. And while this website taking loading, we can navigate on the next website. So the next website name is relevantdirectory.biz. So you can click on submit link button and our link is submitted successfully. So what we can do next, we can go for the home page and we can click on latest link button. Let's see. So best video interview platform, and you can click on more details button and you can see this is our backlink. And I can show you this is a Dofollow backlink. So you guys can see it's 100% Dofollow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So for the next website, you can see there we can going to put our website title, website URL and the description. And you guys can pick your category. Employment, and we can go to verify the captcha. And you can click on continue button. So the next website is populardirectory.biz. And you can see there is a latest submit link button. You can click on this button and you can see the link is submitted, waiting for the approval. Okay, so while this page is taking loading, so okay, we are sorry but link is submission are closed. We will be back in 24 hours. So right now these websites are not working. So I can provide this websites, those websites URL over the description section. When you guys are doing, probably this website it should be working. Okay, so for the upcoming 24 hours, these websites are closed now due to the technical errors. I haven't idea. So you can see the previous websites is where we can check our backlink. This website taking too much time. So yeah, here it is, number second, where we have added our backlink. And you can see there is a listing details button. You can click on this button and you can find your landing page URL. So this is our backlink, and I can show you this is a Dofollow backlink, so that you guys can see it's 100% Dofollow backlink. There is no any indication for the nofollow and no referral. So now we have created total 4 or 5 Dofollow backlink on the directory websites. All the websites I can provide on the description section, so where you guys can access easily. Okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on a comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section, so from where you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request to guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay yaar, bye bye and take care.